No, what else?
That's from Uncle Martin and Auntie Elaine. You need to rip it. What is it? Is it inside the bag? What's inside there? What is it?
Yes.
What is it? What? Oh my goodness! Look at those! Can you not get them out?
No, they're stuck.
Cool.
Wow.
They look cool.
There's another one.
They are what fluffy boots?
You're going to take the inside out?
Yeah.
Pull them out.
Paper.
We'll need to. What will we say to Martin and Elaine? Will we say thanks?
Yeah.
Are you going to say a big thank you to them? That's
Where are we?
They're in Australia. We've not seen them in a long time.
We need to go to their house.
Will we go to their house?
Yeah.
I think they're maybe going to come and visit soon. Would that be good?
Yeah.
Just take your slippers off.
Huh.
Are they cozy inside?
Yeah. Exactly.
Are they all tickly?
Yeah. I want to try and wear them. I think they've got spiders on them.
There's no spiders in them. They're fluffy. They're fluffy sheeps.
I'm going to put your feet in.
You put them on. Which one goes on which?
Oh.
Exactly.
Oh.
I'm gonna wear them today.
You're going to wear them today?
Brilliant.
Marty, 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 let's see them. Oh, cool. They're great. Are they comfy?